read. Can you read this one?
Louder, teacher cannot hear you. Huh?
What?
Read
Uh,
quick.
Quit.
Read.
Very good. Quit chatting, Rick. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
I can hear you.
I
Kebantai
can
eh?
hear
I can hear.
a
Duck.
duck. Very good. I can hear a duck. Like the rocket. Can you read this one?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Okay, another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Yes, I can hear a duck too.
Yes, I can hear a duck too. Another 2 boxes. Okay, can you read this one?
Lama ba? Tak dengar lah, Ba. Apa tak mati lah? Ba, nama mati ni?
It's under the bed. Read.
Very good.
Kejap,
It
kejap.
is under the bed, Rick. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
Cikgu tunggu, ada belum tak dengar.
Kejap.
The duck is
Kejap. Kejap, teacher.
teacher. Do you hear me?
Okay, yes, I can hear you. Can you read the word?
Yes.
Okay.
The duck is under the bed.
Very good. The duck is under the bed. Another 2 boxes for you. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
We get a duck. The duck.
Very good. Quick, get the duck. Okay, another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
I can't dig.
I can't, Jake. Okay, right. The rocket. Can you read this one?
The duck then jumps on the bed.
Very good. The duck then jumps on the bed. Okay, you've reached the star. You've crossed the finish